Hey Miranda, good morning. Nakatapos lang ng morning devotion natin. Yan. So, nagising lang ako, medyo maaga, sarap ng gising natin. And gaano ako ka-loyal sa cryptocurrency? Tared! Binance shirt. No, I'm kidding. I'm not wearing this, honestly. Napaka-volatile kay Miranda ng market this past few days. Bakit mo nga bagsak coach ang market? Ano bang nangyayari? Wala naman tayong big issue, no? Kay Miranda, the market today is actually on a downward trend, not particularly for Bitcoin, kasi nasa key level pa din si Bitcoin, but karamihan ng mga meme coins and alternative coins are actually going down. The only reason for that is, technically, tumaas lang naman sila because of hype, diba? And more so, one big reason as well is, ang dami pong rumors na lumalabas that SEC is not going to approve all of the ETF, imove po nila lahat ng 2024 na. So that kind of removes the appetite from the market